Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Hope you all are doing good. In 2023, DJI MINI 3 Pro is one of the hyped drone in the market. And definitely it deserves to be hyped because of its crazy features, amazing picture quality and comes with a pocket-friendly size within the budget. But after using it for 6 months, I have few concerning things about the DJI MINI 3 Pro and I feel it's important to share with you guys. So in this video, I'll be telling you my user experience of using DJI MINI 3 Pro for 6 months. So in this video, I'll be telling you the good things that I like about the DJI MINI 3 Pro and the bad things I have experienced with this DJI MINI 3 Pro. So this video is going to be very helpful for you guys who are purchasing DJI MINI 3 Pro or who already own the DJI MINI 3 Pro. And also I'm going to talk few general things about the drones. So this video is going to be helpful for all the drone buyers or who already own the drones. So without wasting much of the time, let's quickly get into the video guys. So guys, let's start with the good points that we have with the DJI MINI 3 Pro. So this drone has a crazy camera which offers 48 megapixel 1.7 aperture and has 0.8 inch camera sensor. Photos and videos out of this camera look really great. Those are so great that it will be difficult for you to differentiate between the DJI MINI 3 Pro and Air 2s picture and photo quality. The most loving feature of this DJI MINI 3 Pro that I feel is it allows us to capture photos and videos in the vertical mode. If you're a reeler or YouTube short content creator, then definitely, no doubt, you guys are going to love this DJI MINI 3 Pro. So as we are discussing about the camera, let me also tell you the truth and disadvantage that we have with this DJI MINI 3 Pro camera. So guys, if you're flying your DJI MINI 3 Pro in a humid place or nearby to the waterfall, then surely your camera lens starts fogging up. So I'll attach a video on the screen and you can take a look. My lens starts fogging up whenever I fly my drone just after 2 or 3 minutes. And just to solve this problem, I had reached out to DJI support and you'll not believe guys, this is a manufacturing defect that we have. So DJI said that I need to send my DJI MINI 3 Pro to USA to just fix this problem. They'll change the camera module and send it back. But you know it very well guys, in India it's a very long process to send a drone to USA and get it repaired. But that being said, every problem has a solution. And in the next video, I'll explain you the steps how you can fix this problem permanently. So guys, now let's get into the second point. So this DJI MINI 3 Pro comes into the nano category. Nano category in the sense, this DJI MINI 3 Pro weighs 249 grams. And design of the DJI MINI 3 Pro is very unique. I literally love the design because whenever it flies in the sky, I feel like it's an angry bird which has a camera viewing angle of 180 degrees and I really love it guys. So you can see here, the overall design is literally unique than compared to any other drone that we have in the market. It's really good looking, it has a good propeller size, overall arms are good designed and overall is perfect, I can say. So as we are discussing about the design and the quality of the drone, let me tell you the truth. So guys, when we press here in the front side, you can see if we press it a little harder, it will break. So quality is really cheap, and to be very frank and straight to the point, the build quality is definitely not that good. So if you remove the battery and press it from the sideways, if you press it a little hard, then definitely it's going to break. And again, I feel the build quality is not that great. So guys, you can take a look at the propellers here. So the end of this propeller is orange and this is made up of rubber. So after 50 to 60 flights, then definitely this rubber is going to be cut and you have to change your propellers. This was not the case with the Air 2s or DJI MINI 2 or any other drone. Just this rubber gets out and we have to change the propellers. So this was again not that good experience for me. So guys, let's get into the third point. As we all know that with DJI MINI 3 Pro, we get an option to purchase the Smart RC and most of us prefer purchasing the Smart RC and definitely I think it's your choice too. Smart RC is definitely amazing and has easy portability. With the Smart RC, we get rid of connecting phones and make our life easy. So with this easiness, we get to experience a few screen lags on the Smart RC when compared to connecting the phones. And whenever your Smart RC gets heated up, there is a kind of a lag that you experience on the screen, and when it gets too much of heated, then definitely the display on the smart RC get froze and you have to control your drone manually. So guys, the fourth point that I wanted to discuss is regarding the battery backup on the DJI Mini 3 Pro. So DJI says that we can opt for 47 minutes of battery backup from this DJI, but I have received 40 minutes of backup from the DJI Mini 3 Pro, which is really extremely good. I'm in love with this DJI Mini 3 Pro batteries, and you need not worry about the battery backup on this DJI Mini 3 Pro. They are excellent and you get a good battery backup from this DJI Mini 3 Pro. I haven't used my 30 minutes battery yet. I am still using the 47 batteries, which I have 2 extra 47 minute batteries, and I have been using those itself from 6 months. I haven't used the 30 minute battery. So with this you can guess how good battery backup I am getting from these DJI Mini 3 Pro batteries. So guys, other than this, I don't see any out of the box advantage or disadvantage with the DJI Mini 3 Pro. But yes, DJI Mini 3 Pro comes with a good obstacle sensors and has a object tracing feature in it. Comes with a good battery, and with these big propellers it has a good high wind stability when compared to other nano drones. And this drone comes under nano category and has 249 grams, so this drone does not require any pilot license. In India we only have to register this drone on the government portal, and if you are unaware about the steps how you can register your drone on the government website, then definitely go check out my video. I'll be mentioning the video link in the description and you can find it in the I button. So that's it for this video guys. I hope this information was helpful for the people who are planning to purchase DJI Mini 3 Pro. If you already own DJI Mini 3 Pro, please do let me know if you are facing the same kind of issues that I have just identified and reported in this video. So generally, if you have any drone and if you have any queries, do feel free to comment below or DM me on the Instagram. I'll be happy to help you guys. So that's it for this video guys. I hope you have liked this video and found this video informative. If you guys found this video informative, do hit a like button and subscribe to the channel. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.